In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram comments not showing up. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right and just toggle airplane mode on and then turn it off again. What this is going to do is refresh your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Now go back into Instagram and see if any of those comments do load. If they still don't, go ahead and open up the App Store or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android, and just go ahead and type in Instagram in the search bar and check to see if there's an update button. If there's no update button, don't worry, we'll go on to the next step, but if there is an update button, go ahead and select that to update to the latest version, just because this usually does fix any bugs. If you are still having problems though, on an iPhone, go into settings and then scroll down and go into your general settings. From here, find the iPhone storage section and scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this page until you see this Instagram tab right here. Select it and select offload app. This is going to clear temporary files and reset the app. On an Android, just go into settings, apps, and then go into Instagram and then do the storage and clear the cache and data. If comments still aren't showing, which by the way, you're probably going to have to reinstall Instagram, but don't worry, it's not going to delete any of your data. So just hop back on there. And if they still aren't showing, it's probably not your phone at all. Just go into a browser and search "is Instagram down?" and check to see if there is a spike in reports. That means if there is, that means there's a server issue on Instagram's end, and in that case, you're just gonna have to wait until they fix it. But that is it. Some quick steps to get Instagram comments working again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.